beautiful YouTube community. I wanted to share this little ride with you. It was just an amazing morning, very spiritual. Key-Fob and I rode the bikes out to the National Ocmulgee Indian Mounds in Macon, Georgia. It was very spiritual. I also wanted to share with you, I've been doing some shorts of my sobriety. Today's day 45 for me. It is the first time I've been clean and sober since my teenage years, and it has been a journey. I will not say it's been the easiest, but if I can do it, anybody can do it. It just takes a strong community, and don't be scared to pick up the phone. Don't be scared to share in whatever sober community that you're participating in. There's many out there. I choose AA. I do refuge recovery sometimes. I've tried Dharma recovery. I have not tried Life Ring, but there's many programs to work. This is a lifelong thing. I did also want to share, I've been pulling from my Oracle deck for a while now, and I love how the deck changes. The messages change as I evolve. And one of them is a mushroom card, and it says, I see the magic. And I just want to share a little bit of it with you all while you're enjoying the scenery. So these mushrooms help share a lesson that may not come to mind when your eyes land upon them. They symbolize growth, and more importantly, how growth still continues to occur after a life cycle. How we change as individuals throughout life is hard to recognize, especially as more life experience is gained and we move through relationships with ourselves and others. From growing up with imaginary friends and talking to fairies, many of us go on a long spiral that lands us back at remembering and cherishing the innate wisdom we held as a child. The universe wants you to know that you have grown into a beautiful and powerful force, and you should be proud of where you are today. Don't get too comfortable, though. There's always more to life than meets the typical eye. Cultivate more time in nature to reflect on how truly amazing life is, how amazing this planet is, and how amazing you are. There's one more card I want to share with you, and it's the unicorn card. I got that this morning, and I left it out as my daily reminder. The unicorn card says, magic is real. Past the towering trees and the misted forest floor, a unicorn takes a sip from the river. Its black coat glimmers in the sunlight that peeks through the leaves, and its horn sparkles and shines. It looks out at the natural beauty that the forest presents. Dew-coated leaves catch its eye, and fragrant wildflowers engulf its senses. Unicorn teaches that magic is not limited to extraordinary events. Magic can be found from the moment you wake up, to the moment you let your head rest at night. Whether it's the flowers that open in your morning tea or the way that the sun shines just right before it sets. There's always magic to be found. Remain open to the mystical simplicities that are sprinkled throughout your day. Sometimes it's these little pieces of magic that can turn the hardest of days around. In my sobriety, this is what I have to look for. If I let the mundane, everyday work grind, feed the machine get to me, I will not see the magic of this world. I love you all. We're all guided, loved, and protected.